Okay, now we've marked out and cut the long sides for our box. Now what we're going to look at now is marking out the shorter side for the box, and this needs to have the curved top. So we're going to have a look at that now. Here's one that I kind of done earlier. I've marked it out, and I've also gone around with a little bit of abrasive paper and just made a nice smooth edges around it. Okay, so this is what we need to do. We're going to mark the bottom bit out, very much like the bit we did on the other bit, but for this shorter side we need this curved top marked on there, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I've started this one off because this was exactly the same as we did before. And what we did before, if you remember, was we marked it at 20 millimeters. So we made markings at 20 millimeters. I've done that, and I've just got to now, I've already sanded the edges off so it was smooth, and I've marked some of these on here. I'm just going to show you the last one just to save time. So I'll put this at 20, make a mark, I'll put it at 20, I'll make a mark, and then line through those, make sure that the ruler is just running through the two lines there, and run my pencil down. I'm probably making these pencil lines a bit thicker than you would normally have to, just so that you can see them. I'm then going to use my first piece of wood to line it up. I'll make sure the edges are flush, so make sure that's lined up square, and I'm going to mark down there. Again, marking a little bit thicker than you perhaps need to. Then, lining it up, check that it's flush this side, and okay, so there we are. And if you like to, you can mark in the waist. Now the waist, the pieces we're going to cut out are going to be opposite to the pieces that we've already cut out. I'll explain that, you'll see that later on. But I'm marking out the waist there, and now we're ready to go on to the next step. So what we need to do now, this is 160 millimeters this way, I'm going to mark halfway, 80, and I'm going to mark halfway again. Then I'm drawing a center line, and that goes down like that. And we could do this CL mark. I don't know if you can see that, but that just means center line. That's a center line down there. And from the center line, we're going to mark down 1, 2, and we're going to put a mark here. So we've got a center line and a mark 1, 2. We're then going to take a pair of compasses. I'm going to put it on the center line, bring the compasses up to the top of the piece of wood there, so from this line here to the top, and then these should just draw a semicircle you can see that, and if you like to, you can mark this as waist as well. So we're going to cut around here, cut out here, cut out here and here, and that is how we mark out the short sides for our box and mark a semicircle for the curved top of the box.